All right, so what's going on, guys? Welcome back here to another video. In today's video, I got something a little bit different for you guys. We have an awesome product here. I actually just got it in the mail. It's from a company called OuterEnvy, and they make outboard covers. So today we are on my 20-foot Sea Fox here, and we're gonna go ahead and show you guys how to rig up your motor with the new outboard cover. It definitely transforms your motor, whether you have a new motor and you want it for protection, whether you have an old motor and you just want it so it could look nice, whatever the case may be, OuterEnvy has you guys covered. So let's get right into it. Got the package right here. Let's open it up, and I mean, it's already open, I just opened it, but so we got the cover. I actually got the they sent me over the camo. This is the white camo pattern. It looks really, really nice. We haven't even opened it yet, so we're gonna open it up, see what else we got. Got some koozies, and we also got some stickers right here. So we're gonna be putting this on the boat, and yeah, so let's open up the cover. Let's see what's inside here. All right, cool. We got a nice little card here. Let's see, it's a nice material, pretty cool. Check it out. Nice cover here. As you can see, awesome material. It's got a nice little adjustment strap here. So yeah, so as you can see, very nice quality, very nice material. They got the logo here right on the side, as you can see. Check that out. Yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and put it on the motor. I'm actually gonna call over my dad so he could help me out, and we're gonna go ahead and put it on the motor, and I'll show you guys how it looks. Let's go. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and start. As you can see, this is the back here. It's got the mesh right here, so we're gonna go ahead and put it over. I got my dad here, he's gonna help me out a little bit, so let's start by doing that. Okay, throw it right over the side like that. Okay, just like that. Get it nice and adjusted here, and then it's got the little snap here, so you bring that around. You want to make sure this thing goes all the way down, so you want to stretch it out really good, just like that. It'll go all the way down and right until where the rigging wires are here, and it'll go right through it just like that. You want to snap it back into place, so right under it, and we're gonna start adjusting it. Okay, just make sure these are straight. They're a little crooked here, just like that. Okay, okay, and we're gonna keep on adjusting it. As you can see, you can kind of see the stitching, and it'll help you kind of guide it.
Roll a little more back, right there.
Okay. All right, so we got it nice and stretched. Now we're gonna go ahead and tighten it up here. All right, guys, so here we have it all installed. Look at that. As you can see, you could kind of see the Mercury stickers under, but I think I'm gonna end up taking those out. They were old anyways, so, but you could see it definitely transforms your engine. Makes it look like a brand new engine. Look at that. So when this thing is on the water, it's gonna look very, very nice. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys some videos of it running. As you can see, it's mounted up here in the front, nice and secure, so you could run with this thing and you won't have any problems. So I want to go ahead and show you guys a nice video of it running out on the water next time we're out. And yeah, as you can see, I'm gonna go ahead and leave a link in the description below of all their information, so where you could get some covers. Definitely protects your investment. If it's old, like my engine, it's kind of older and kind of faded on top, you put the cover on, and it looks pretty much brand new and awesome. All right, so there you go. There you have it. OuterEnvy. They're the people you guys have to check out for all your outboard engine cover needs here. All right, so thank you guys so much for tuning into today's video. As you can see, we got the nice engine cover here. Huge shout out to OuterEnvy for hooking us up with the nice engine cover here. We're going to be getting some awesome footage of it in the water running so you guys could see how it looks when the engine's in the water. As you can see, it fits perfectly. He had this one custom made for my engine, and he has a bunch of other models out there, a bunch of other styles, a bunch of colors you guys could choose. So make sure to go ahead and check them out. I'm gonna go ahead and leave the link in the description below, like I said, so you guys could check them out. So thank you guys so much for watching. Once again, make sure to leave a thumbs up, comment in the comment section below, and as always, make sure to subscribe. I'll see you guys on next.